और अब खबरों में आगे बढ़ेंगे, बात करेंगे एसएल ग्रुप के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने सेबी चीफ माधवी पुरी बुच पर गंभीर आरोप लगाए हैं। आज एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा जी एंटरटेनमेंट और सोनी डील के टूटने के पीछे माधवी पुरी बुच को जिम्मेदार ठहराया है। उन्होंने कहा है कि छोटे शेयरधारकों को हुए नुकसान की जिम्मेदारी भी बुच की ही है।
I am questioning today that SEBI is supposed to protect the interest of minority shareholders, and she succeeded in pushing away Sony from getting merged with, Zee getting merged with Sony. Who has lost money? Subhash Chandra and family, not much. We are only 4% shareholders. 95.6% shareholders have suffered huge losses. The shares from 400 rupees have fallen to 120 rupees. Who has suffered? All minority shareholders. Just because of her.
वहीं डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने कहा कि जो म्यूचुअल फंड्स एक्सेल ग्रुप को समय दिया उसे माधवी पुरी बुच ने परेशान किया। डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने कहा कि उस वक्त माधवी पुरी बुच ने उन म्यूचुअल फंड से कहा कि आप लोग क्यों समय दे रहे हैं, और फिर दो म्यूचुअल फंड पर जुर्माना भी लगा दिया।
And on 26th of January, when more than 30 lenders were sitting in my boardroom at my request, and I requested them to give me time so that I can pay everyone's full money, and they need to keep patience. If they were not to keep patience, they would lose money. Their further investors of kind of mutual funds, etc., will lose money. And they gave extension. And this lady, Madhvi Puri Buch, I don't know what else to call her, the chairperson, she was telling every mutual fund, why are you giving time to them? And she, in fact, put penalty on 2 mutual funds for extending time given to SL Group for repayment and payment of back. He mentioned that the chief at SEBI is extremely displeased with Zee Media. She has even expressed in an official meeting that while Zee Media may be reporting against me and SEBI, Mr. Subhash Chandra and his son Punit Goenka will have to face the consequences. No other media group is covering this issue, which has further fueled her frustration.